Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the camera review of Asus Zenfone 5Z. Starting off, this is how the interface looks like. It's pretty clean, and here we have a standard shot and also a much wider shot to choose from. Talking about the Pro mode, it is stacked with features and I personally like the interface, which is really pleasing on the eye and very intuitive to navigate. When it comes to indoor lighting conditions, the Zenfone 5Z does produce decent results. There isn't much noise in most of the images. So moving to day lighting conditions, it produces really sharp images with good dynamic range. Here's the standard shot and here's the wide angle shot. The wide angle shots look great and gives you that dramatic effect. The Zenfone 5Z has AI incorporated into the camera and it detects stuff which Asus claims will improve the image, to which I want you guys to take a look at the images and be the judge. Here's a portrait shot and the edge detection is pretty good, I would say, especially for this particular image. When it comes to low lighting conditions, it does pull in good amount of light, and I'm not sure how much AI makes a difference, but it did produce really good images under low lighting conditions. Coming to selfie camera, the images look very natural as long as there's ample amount of light, but when taken in dark environments, it's a little underwhelming, and OnePlus did a pretty good job with their phone, which I'll showcase in my comparison video. The Zenfone 5Z can also shoot portrait selfies and the edge detection is perfect. I'm really impressed with the results from this phone. The Zenfone 5Z can shoot up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Here's the footage. As you can see, it does a really good job of stabilizing the video. So to conclude, the Zenfone 5Z's camera as an overall package is right up there with the competition and is definitely a value for money proposition. But is it better than the OnePlus 6 or the Honor 10? Well, I'll be making a video about it pretty soon. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.